Hi, I am still in my pajamas and I am still groggy from sleep, but my Kindle arrived today. I'm too excited to wait to open this up, so I'm just gonna do it like this right now. David and I bought my Kindle together as my birthday gift, and when I say bought my Kindle together, I mean he paid for 90% of it and I only paid for 10%. But I mean... It's a birthday gift, so I'm not gonna try to fight him on it. Thank you, David. I have been wanting a Kindle since 2018. 2018! I'm kind of nervous because I thought it would come in a bigger box than this. So I'm kind of worried, what if I open it up and I actually paid for a scam? Oh my gosh! The Kindle! Look at it, it's such a cute green color. It's palm sized. It's smaller than my iPad mini, which is great. It'll be easy to take it around with me. Plus, I'm going on a trip for my birthday. I'm just heading out of town for a little bit, for 2 days. And this is perfect because the book that I'm currently reading, it's really thick. It's 600 pages, and that's just too much to bring with you to a 2-day trip. So this is gonna be my little baby. So we turn it on here in the bottom. Look at that light up. Ah, oh my gosh, it's lighting up. It's lit up. Oh my god, my English. It's so pretty. Okay, English, United States. Get started. Prepare your device. Okay, so it's later in the day now. I basically put these stickers on here. They're not attached because I don't want the back of my Kindle to get sticky, but I got my clear case same day today in the mail, which is perfect timing. And I'm basically just going to use this as a design and just pop this on like this. There we go. That's pretty much the back of my Kindle now. Pretty cute, right? Hehe. And now I present to you an excerpt from the book I'm currently reading on my Kindle.
Hey baby, my name is Connor, and I'm a wolf. And I'm second to Danica Fendir, who is alpha of the pack of devils. And you, baby, I wanna date you. Yeah, well, I'm Bryce. I'm half elf and I have red hair. But guess what? I don't wanna date you.
Damn, he's actually really hot though, and I actually really do want to date him.
Oh, come on, Bryce. Just give me one date. One date. I've wanted you, baby, since I found out you were Danica Fendir's roommate in college. Bryce, please. Fine, I'll give you one date. But if you're late, the deal is off.